making the last of my fall soaps today, and this is a repeat, a bigger repeat of one that I had done last year. The one that I did last year was for a challenge, for the Challenge Club, a stencil design, and this is the very last bar that I have left. And I'm going to do kind of the same thing, but this one I had done the top part with soap dough. For this one, I went ahead and took my 12 bar slab molds, and then I poured a very thin layer of white soap, and then I put on some really pretty sparkly micas on there, and I have 24 of these. So that batch I only did 12, and I used, instead of doing this part, this took a really long time, these were stencils, I have some cookie cutters. I actually did do 2 of the stencils, but I have some cookie cutters with some really pretty fall shapes and pumpkin shapes that I thought would be a lot of fun. The fragrance I'm going to be doing is going to be pretty similar to the one I did with this. It's going to discolor to a dark brown. I have the same, if you can see that, the gold and silver mica that I'm going to be doing an oil drizzle on top. And this is my fragrance blend. It's a nice mix of pumpkin and caramel, ginger, cinnamon, pecan, marshmallow, vanilla, like creams, and maple. It's going to be really nice, yummy fall scent. So I'm going to go ahead, get started with that here in a second. I've got to get everything set up here, but I also have, these are my little cutouts. I've got this mold. That'd be fun to do some Thanksgiving ones, but if you can see, there's 2 pumpkin ones with some corn, and then there's 2 turkeys, so I have some extra. I'm doing this as goat milk, so I've got some extra from the weight of the goat milk and then the weight of these to pour off. So I'll set that aside, pour them in here, and I think I'll have maybe one other one, and that's going to be kind of a gingerbread pumpkin-y scent for those. So if you see me pour that off, that's what I'm doing there. So let me go ahead and get stuff set aside. Now, the one thing with this fragrance, if I remember correctly, is the main pumpkin scent, and it does cause some acceleration, so it may move a little bit faster, but that's okay. I'm going to do kind of a quicker pour. Placing the stencils on will take a little bit more time, but let's get ready to go.